Good morning. It's about 5:46, and I ain't gotta go to work. I ain't got no kids.
Oh yeah, the cookie too. I'm like, how many you got?
Oh, yeah, I ain't got no dog. Like a little day vacation.
Literally.
36-hour vacation. Does that count? I asked that question
We're
in the car.
starting the Bowen Bachelorette party.
I asked that question in the car. Nobody answered me. I said, does 36 hours count as a vacation?
It counts as a bachelorette or bachelor party.
That's good enough.
With Casa Amor today, 4 p.m. with Jill from B&A in Miami, Florida.
And then look around here. It says
The Bowen Club.
wait, but there's more.
That's all right.
You want a cuddle?
You want to talk?
Wait. Good morning from Miami. It is crazy. We're here for like 36 hours on a bachelor trip co-ed. And it's day 2 and we leave tomorrow morning. So today we're gonna have a pool day. Last night we did, we went out to, it's called Miami. And that was fun, and then we came back and just chilled by the pool. Today we have the pool party, so I'm about to blow up some fun balloons. I decorated the houses and helped Britt with goodie bags and stuff for everybody. So a lot of work went involved, and they look so good, so I'm so happy. Right now I'm gonna blow up the floats for the pool party. I brought 3, a ring and then 2 like clear ones. Oh, and a ball. So I got, this, blowing this one up. Oh, and by the way, we're staying in an Airbnb and it's beautiful. There's 2 houses, it fits so many people, and they're just gorgeous. They'll have pools, basketball courts. There's like a tree house in both of the backyards. Like, it's gorgeous. I'll just link wherever we stay in the description area. Right now they're making breakfast too. It's like 11 a.m. So I have these 2 rings, boom boom, and a fun ball, and I made a sign. So that's my decoration for that, and I just want to get this over with while they're still cooking breakfast while I have time. I'm gonna leave this out too. Last night I wish I got better pictures because my outfit was so cute. Like, I was so happy, stressed out about like finding something. Finally, when I found something, it was like I won. Went to Bloomingdale's last minute and got this nice dress. Tonight my dress is, we have to wear black, so you'll see what I picked out. But my last night outfit was way better. Alright, I'm blowing this up. But look at our room. Let me show you. Jonathan's in the shower right now, but it's like when you walk in, we have a king bed. It's perfect. We actually share Jack and Jill bathroom with my sister on the other side. And then this is our makeshift closet, which has like, we have faces of them. And this is kind of like where we stored. We have t-shirts that are so fun. This is actually a sample bag too in here. And we gave them a towel and cool things. So yeah, maybe I'll do an unboxing of like what actually is inside of each bag. Britt wrote a really nice handwritten card for everybody. Super thoughtful and like thankful to have. We have like 20 people here, so having 20 different people is wild. I don't know, everything that you need is inside your bag, so it was perfect. But I'm gonna start blowing these up and then I'll lay them out in the pool later. And I'll show you what it looks like. looks so good. I should have got 2 of these balls because I wanted to do like a Love Island obstacle course for like a game, but I didn't know what I was doing. Like, you know, like what the setup is, because I wanted to see what it looked like. But this is so cute and just enough. Yummy, yummy. This is so dope. Opening up Jay's bag.
You like these? I look like Penny. Have I just seen it so far? Yeah.
Alex, you're dope.
Oh no, this is fire.
And the next colors, honey. And the next colors.
What's your favorite?
I like that.
Oh, baby, you're so cute.
Oh, yeah, I really use it. Let me see. Boy.
Wait. You don't have a burger. It's not the real. Yeah.
It's like watermelon.
Wait, Alex, are these used?
No, we watched them.
Good morning.
Charles, say
You should wait until I get into my Beyonce outfit.
So cool.
Put it on.
No, maybe it's too hot actually to wear it outside. I thought this would be like my cover up. And the shades, socks, gummies, sunglasses, and a handwritten card. You got a card? You got a text with a card. Cute. Boom. No, it's okay. Yeah, thank you. It's been a great day. Yeah, it has. It was a really good day.
We're going this morning.
And this is how we end our night.
You did?